Advice to fix double buzzing. When I come back home after a day of work, staying in a dry environment with the mask, I get this annoying double buzzing, and I feel like my embouchure is weak. All right, so with my understanding of what happens when we double buzz is that there's two places where the buzz is happening, like in the lips. So it may be that your embouchure is a little weak in the corners. And then also too, I want you to think about I want you to think about like where is the air hitting? Where is the air hitting or where is the air going? Because with me, when I had a double buzz, for me, my corners were weak, and then I had leakage. I had leakage on the side, so air was like slipping out on the sides. So I really had to make sure that my corners were firm and and strong, right? To make sure that there was no leakage. Number two is that I visualized every particle of air going into the cup. The sound happens in the cup is what my professor at Illinois State used to tell me. Is the sound the change of sound, everything happens in the cup. So you want to make sure that I want you to imagine like all of your sound going straight into the hole of that cup, not anywhere else. Like if we get that scratchy sound, like the air is going everywhere. So I want you to think about that air just going inside the cup. And also too, if you're working, um, if you have a moment or two, I would suggest that you do the pencil exercise. I don't have a pencil on me, but if you look on YouTube, I want you to search pencil exercise. So there's a great video by the late great um, John. He used to wear these very colorful shirts in his videos. He's the first trumpet YouTuber I found on YouTube when I was growing up, and he has this great video about the pencil exercise. So go ahead and check out his video. John Ruff, and it's Rough Tips. RUFFTIPS. Rough Tips. Legend in the game as far as playing. He was an excellent player. Um, excellent. He made excellent videos. So go ahead and check out his channel. He unfortunately he has passed away, but his legacy lives on through his YouTube channel for sure. Um, so check out John Ruff's uh, video on the pencil exercise and check and do that if you're at work if you have some time.